Distinguished guests, it's my pleasure to welcome you on behalf of the Institute of Regional and International Studies to the Sulaimani Forum. IRIS is honored to plan and host the Sulaimani Forum in conjunction with other university departments. As the university's flagship research center, IRIS is committed to policy-relevant research that is deeply rooted in the Iraqi context, while also drawing connections across borders. IRIS firmly believes that policy analysis requires political and historical context. In that vein, our research looks at how some of the most complex challenges facing Iraq, from environmental degradation to protracted displacement to corruption, are shaped by political dynamics and the enduring legacies of war. A very quick word of thanks before I welcome the Prime Minister to the stage. I'm very lucky as director of the Institute to have such a wonderful group of AUIS and IRIS colleagues that have worked so diligently to make this forum possible, especially Mr. Shavan Najm, Ms. Zainab Hamid, Mr. Ranj Saraj, and Mr. Adnan Jaffer. Thank you for your dedication. One administrative detail. So the Sulaimani Forum phone application contains everything you need to know about the program and all the panel sessions, including the speakers and times. And this also includes the policy roundtables that are on the wings of the forum. You can download the application through the QR code on the screen. The application will be very important during the panel sessions. Questions to the moderators can only be submitted through the Sulaimani Forum application. Moderators will not take questions from the floor. Also, please note that we do not have scheduled breaks during the plenary sessions. If you need to exit the session for any reason, please exit through the doors on the right side of the hall. Now, let me turn to the keynote speech with the Prime Minister, which will be followed by a one-on-one conversation with journalist Jane Araf. Without further ado, on behalf of the wider AUIS community, it is my pleasure to welcome the Prime Minister of the Republic of Iraq, His Excellency Mohammed Shia al-Sudani.